So recently I decided to start kind of documenting my progress through video production. I recently kind of like took the leap and decided that I was going to do this full-time, and I'm pleased to say that it's working and things are actually picking up quite a bit as of recently. So I think as part of that, I kind of want to capture exactly what it is that I'm doing now. That way later on down the road I have some sort of reflection point. And if it helps somebody else out in the meantime, that would be awesome too. So today we are headed to Wesley CrossFit. I have to finish a bunch of testimonials and interviews, kind of like the A-roll of the videos that we're doing with some students and the owners themselves. So that's today and tomorrow, and at the end of today, my best friend Steven is going to ask his girlfriend to marry him, and he actually asked me to be there to capture video and pictures, which I've never tried to do both at the same time, so this is going to be a huge learning curve for me. We'll see how it actually goes. So I need to get showered, I need to get ready, and I need to get all my gear in the car so we can get out of here and get to work. I will see you there. Alright baby, it's time to go in your crate. Come on. It's time to go in your crate. Come on, go on in. Good boy. So we're all packed up. We got all of our lighting equipment and everything back here. The stuff that I just brought from inside. Oh, sorry about getting that close to my face. And yeah, we got a lot of stuff to carry downstairs. So off we go. Here it is. Oh. What's going on, my man? Oh, wonderful. How are you? Alright y'all, well that is the first round of testimonials. We did 2 today, today's Saturday, and we're going to be doing the remaining 4 tomorrow on Sunday. So far so good. Everything has come out really well. I chose to use a lav mic for this particular interview setting, and 3-point lighting with 1 splash light on their logo that's behind them. So far so good. Everything looks nice. I'm liking the way it's coming out. And I'm going to attribute like 90% of that to the amount of planning that I put into this. I really did as much as I could to plan this out as best as I possibly could. From storyboarding to writing, like, not necessarily a script because they're testimonials, but a set of questions to ask people, because when anybody gets on camera, unless they're like a paid actor essentially, they get cold feet, they're not exactly sure what to say. It makes it very hard for them to tell like a cohesive story. So having a set of questions to ask them to kind of guide them really helped. I had a lighting schematic set up, so I knew exactly where I wanted my lights, what lenses I was going to use on what camera, so on and so forth. So basically the moral of the story here, at least for me, is things always go better when you plan them out. When you plan your shoot, when you have a storyboard, when you have all these things, it just makes the general process of getting the job done a lot less daunting, right? For a wedding, if you shoot weddings, it's a little different. You show up, you put the pieces together, and you kind of have to like tell the story of the day. So the day could go any amount of different ways. I mean, obviously you're not going to make it look bad, but it's kind of a challenge to make it the way that you see it in your head before you get there. Because, I mean, truth be told, you can build a relationship with a wedding couple, but you can't build a relationship with them to the point where you know how their wedding day is going to go. And anyway, just make sure you plan stuff. That's the number one thing I'm taking away from this. I hope every shoot that I do is this planned and this timely, because this has gone very smoothly, and I'm pretty confident that the end product is going to be amazing. So, yeah, plan your stuff out. Just get out there and do it.
Later that same evening.
So, successfully made it to Steve. Steve is on the guitar.
Hey.
Yep. We got a camera hiding over here behind the fence. And I'm gonna be over here between these trees right here so that I can kind of like come out and surprise them. So we'll see how this all goes. I had like an extra second to give you guys an update, so that's what we're doing. But I gotta go hide in the bushes now.
Will you marry me?
Yes. Yes. I love you so much. Oh my god, you're so cute. I love you too.
People inside. Were you surprised?
So cute. You're so cute.
I love you.
Oh my God, we pay attention. Yeah, and then we talk about, I'm like, what do you think? And one thing said, oh my God.
We have that long lighter again. A couple of candles.
All my bro.
No, I know.